Hi, my friend. I'm so happy you're here today, and I can't wait to draw with you. So, continuing this week's theme of sweet treats, today we are drawing these sweet little wrapped candies. So, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my special sketchbook to a brand new page. Now, starting with my violet red crayon, you use any color you like. I'm going to draw a circle to start with. Now, this is going to be candy. Now let's draw a wrapper for the candy. So from one side here, I'm going to draw a little curved line out. This one goes up, and another one that goes down. Then we're going to connect these two curved lines with a wavy line. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. There's a curve that goes more up and one that goes more down. And then we'll connect them with a wavy line. And then let's add two little lines, little angled lines that help make it look like the wrapper is all crinkly where it's tied. Okay, and then if you want to, you can add a decoration to this candy. Today I want to put a swirl on mine. I think that sounds like fun. Okay, and what's fun about drawing candies like this is you can draw so many different shapes of candies using the same process, but just a different shape in the middle. Here, let me show you what I mean. So for my second candy, I want to start, instead of a circle, I want to start with a rectangle. Ooh. And on the end of this one, I'm going to draw a little curved line up and a curved line down and connect them with a wavy shape. Oh, look, we have one side of the wrapper over here. Let's do the same on the other. So I'm going to draw a little curved line up, a little curved line down, and a wavy shape in the middle. And then two lines for crinkles here, and two lines for crinkles here. And for the decoration on this candy, I think I want to put a diagonal stripe. That sounds like fun. I'll give it a little color. There we are. We have two different shapes of candies now. Let's do one more. I think I'll use orange this time. And for this one, I'm going to start with an oval. Now let's draw our wrappers just like before. We'll draw a little curved line up, a little curved line down, and wavy line to connect them. And again, curved line up, curved line down, and a wavy line to connect them. Then little lines for crinkles in the wrapper. And for this decoration, I want to do an up and down stripe. And instead of coloring the stripe, maybe I'll color the outside parts. And there we have it. There's 3 different ways you can make candies. And you can choose any shape you want to do. What would a triangle candy look like? Or maybe a heart candy. You could do a star candy. Oh, there's so many possibilities, but I hope you have so much fun with them. And I'm so happy you were able to join me today. And until next time, remember to take your creativity everywhere.